Hey, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I just want to do a really cool, quick little trick in Maya that is certainly going to be very helpful at some point in your project. So sometimes you are, let's say you're modeling something and maybe you are starting to rig the character, and for whatever reason you want to create additional, cuts between the polygons, right? So currently everything in this case is a quad, and let's say I want to maybe I want to make a cut from this point to this point. So what are some of the ways I could do that? Well, I can always grab the cut tool and I can just make sure that I kind of snap to this vertex here and then vertex here, and then I can press enter to make the cut. So that's one way of doing it, right? But sometimes you will have a situation where it simply doesn't snap, or it's kind of tricky and you need to be super precise about connecting these two verts. So there is another way of doing it. You could just go to vertex, simply select the first vertex, then hold down the shift key, select the second one, and then hold down the shift key, right click, and just say connect components. And that's gonna create the cut kind of manually for you instead of messing around with the cut tool. So both are great options, but this is definitely something that can become very useful at some point in your project. So you can even select multiple points like this, hold down the shift key, right click, do connect components, and you can see you can do multiple cuts or connections. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.